The quest for independence made me break out. Deafened to the loudest shout, a flock always seeking greener pastures. Drink and merry became the order of the day. Numbers and letters defined me, meant to explode and explode. Surprisingly, I imploded. Walls crashing within, the sound of my begging spirit became a metronome, missing keys and strings. A furrow in my own eyes, sleeping in a bed of frogs. See, food filled with flies could barely see the spice. Locks shattered my heart and eyes. The blind cannot lead the blind, what more himself. Crying for alms in slumber, but the judgmental nature tempted me a beggar and gave me alms instead. Only he who created the genetic makeup of my being would understand. Sensation on a skinhead. Earthly pleasure lasts only but for a moment. Took a moment, inclined my ear to instruction. Introspect and retrospect only to convert. Livelihood under siege, his and mine had to converge. Existing through the ages, holding the earth in his hands, to such I had to turn. Finding him meant loving myself and his creation, great and small. AWOL I had gone, yet came the call. Disregarding the satellites and the boosters, from the hand of the fowler I had to be ousted. Come home, a home not defined by structures, rather by conscience. Red Sea parted, emotional and spiritual blindness departed. A new chapter started, a bridge erected. Come to him, O you heavy laden. Such as I have, I give unto thee. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you. He